everyone, I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Soap making is my creative outlet, and this channel is all about soap making. Today, I would like to share with you my process on making feather swirl soap using natural colorants. Without further ado, let's get started! The ingredients that I use today are 5-oil blend, lye solution, essential oil blend, white kaolin clay, natural pink clay, and natural red clay. First, let us disperse the natural clays in oil. I've used the mini mixer to ensure that the natural clay is properly dispersed and to avoid any color specks in the final bar. I have used 1 teaspoon per pound of oil clay load. I pre-weigh the clay inside the beaker. My little trick is when I receive a new colorant or any clay or any additive, I would immediately weigh 1 teaspoon and record the weight in my notebook and in the container. This means that the next time when I need less of a teaspoon or more, I can just weigh the colorants instead of doing some estimation or eyeballing. Both lye and oil are at room temperature now. I don't have to heat my oils because I stay in a tropical climate. It stays melted except during rainy seasons. I always prepare my oil blend and lye in advance, and I normally master batch a quantity that is good for 15 to 20 small batches for efficiency and consistency. It also helps me to eliminate other factors and variables, especially when I'm testing fragrance oil and colorants. Next, let us slowly pour 37% lye solution into the 5-oil blend. The 5-oil blend was calculated at 5% lye discount using my own soap lye calculator at www.mysoapcalc.com/soap. It is a free tool that you can use to make your own recipes. Go and give it a try. I'll put the link in the description box below. Then we have to stir it gently until we reach a stable emulsion. I've added the fragrance. The fragrance load is 3% and my target here is a mild and gently scented soap bar. Today I've decided to use a blend of orange and lemon essential oil for a citrusy, fresh scent. I divided the soap butter and poured it into the clay in oil suspension. I also divided the soap butter containing white kaolin clay into 2 equal parts. I mix it again gently until a visible light trace is observed. Now, we are ready to pour the soap into the mold. I place the gear tie in the middle of the soap mold. Next, I pour the kaolin soap butter to approximately fill 10% of the layer. I alternately poured the red and pink clay soap butter. After 3 to 5 alternate pour of the red and pink soap butter, I will pour the kaolin soap butter in both sides of the soap mold. You just have to repeat the whole process until the soap butter reaches the brim of the soap mold, and the last step would be to pull up the hanger tool. And for those of you who are wondering on where did I get my soap mold, I made it by myself. So the dimensions and the size is customized according to my preference, because you know that I am a hobbyist. So I will just have to prepare a small batch for myself. To support the silicone mold, I am using the clothes cabinet divider so that it can maintain its shape. our little chit chat, I'd like to share with you some of the benefits of using natural clays in your soaps. It helps in anchoring the fragrance. It is a natural colorant, so if you have to move away from synthetic ingredients, this can be your go-to option. Natural clays are also good for the skin, specifically the white kaolin clay that we use today. It is a gentle clay and it is suitable for all skin types. While I continue with the whole process, I'll turn the music on for a while, so please stay tuned and don't move away from the screen. Normally for SWIRL soap, what majority would do is to pour the soap butter into the soap mold, and then later on use the hanger, put it down and swirl it going to the side of the wall and pull it up. But for me, to make the step easier, I just place it in the middle and then pull it up. So it saves a little bit of effort there, but the outcome is the same, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. It serves as a guide also on where will I be putting my soap butter when I pour it in the middle, or when I pour it in the middle of the soap mold. After 2 days, I've unmolded the soap, and now let us cut the soap using my multi-soap cutter. I produced a total of 2 bars of mildly scented SWIRL soap. I hope that you enjoyed our soap making session today, and thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I'm Cathy the Clumsy Soaper, and if you are new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing into my mini channel for a weekly soap making video, DIY tutorials, and a lot more. Hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I release a new content here in my channel. Just like you, soap making is my passion, and I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. Thank you so much, soap sisters and bubble brothers, and happy birthday to those who are celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!